Sandeep Balaji Gautamar, and today's date is 12 February 2024. And today's topic name is e-commerce. E-commerce, short for electronic commerce. Commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods or services for the internet. It has a revolutionized the way businesses operate and consumers shop. Detailed explanation of e-commerce is first is type of e-commerce. Type of e-commerce: business to consumer. The transactions between businesses and individual consumers. Example: Amazon. Business to business. Transaction between businesses. Example: Alibaba. Consumer to consumer. Consumer transactions between individual consumers. Example: eBay. Consumer to business. Individuals offers product or services to businesses. Example: freelancing platforms. Business to government. Transaction between businesses and government agencies. Then second is components of e-commerce. E-commerce website. The online platform where transactions occurs. Payment gateway. Facilitates secure online transactions. Shopping cart allows users to select and store items for purchases. Inventory management system tracks product availability and updates stock levels. Order fulfillment system manage the process from order placement to delivery. Customer relationship management. It manage customer interactions and data. Then third is e-commerce models. Drop shipping. Retailer doesn't keep products in stock, but instead of transfers orders to a manufacturer or wholesaler who ships products directly to customer. Wholesaler selling goods in bulk to retailers who then sell them to customers. Subscription. Customers pay a recurring fee for access to products or services. Marketplace. Multiple sellers offer products or services through centralized platforms. BRL secure and clean. Traditional retailers also sell online. Crowdfunding. Fundraising for new products or projects thought online platforms. Then fourth is key technologies. Mobile commerce. Buying and selling via recommendation systems, chatbots for customer service, big data analytics, understanding consumer behavior, market trends, and optimizing operations. Then blockchain, blockchain, secure transactions, and transparent supply chains. Uh, Augmented reality and virtual reality. Uh, in enhanced shopping experience. Try before we buy. So this is all about e-commerce. Thank you.